This is Google Pixel 5a, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, you will need to swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar and launch the control center. From here, find the shortcut that is responsible for the internet, touch and hold. At the following page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, then tap on it. At the following network details page, click at the share icon, and at the following section of internet settings, you'll be granted with the actual Wi-Fi network password will be revealed and shown right over here, as well as the system will provide you with the QR code that can be further scanned with the goal of getting automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.